To the foundation. Ow! We must give thanks to change and balance. We're not going to learn one day. Earn one day on a graduation. We're not reach there yet. So no need for worry our friends. He's a selector.
We're fighting for this music, but this war is never tribal. The fittest of the fittest are recruited for survival. So turn up the reggae music to the max on my arrival. This message that I'm bringing is positive and is vital. My weapon of choice is words and melodies. My ammunition's metaphors and similes. I use this music to defeat my enemies. Mr. Selector, can you play this for me, please? We are soldiers, yes, we are a up soldiers. Together we are soldiers, yes, we are a up soldiers. Together we are soldiers, yes, we are a up soldiers. We are soldiers, I'm a up soldier. I'm telling you that music is life, is the way to survive. Our music shall live, no it will never die. Reggae music bring no pain, but when it hits you, you cry. If you love the reggae music, let me hear your reply. I'm a soldier, vow to protect this music. Yeah. I'm a soldier, with love and never abuse it. That the music must preserve. I have the army ready and attack, I give the word. No longer will I sit while they diminishing the words. Are the ones that came before, we should be finishing them words. I stand up and I'm fighting for a cause, to drop this music and them non-stop without a pause. I use this opportunity to speak up on their laws and keep the reggae music out the clutches of their paws. We are soldiers, yes we are a up soldier. We are soldiers, I am a soldier, yeah. You said it, I said. Be a reggae music, no one to play on ya. String up a big sound, you pan the counter. And I say more music. Be a reggae music, no one to play on ya. String up a big sound, you pan the counter.
Yeah, check 1, 2. We're in the West Palm, where the sun is nice. Yeah, the sun is warm. I run to come to ring the alarm. I'm sending messages to everyone. Ja! Rastafari Selassie, I change and balance. Is the only answer connected to the ancestors. So we're blessed constantly. And with this rhythm, we give thanks to the Almighty. And all the beautiful women them in the night. I ask you, please don't fight me. Do me right tonight.
A word unto the wise is enough. You can love but don't touch my relations and stuff.
West Palm Beach, people, take it in.
'Cause out here in this jungle we roam. Every king has his throne.
You know something we defend my own. I'm ready to defend it.
About to protect my own.
Yo.
Protect my own.
Come on. Protect your family. Protect your neck. Hey. Come on.
Bread basket from birth to the casket of bird. They've been talking some words, I look past it. I was brought up and taught of the tactics and learned that the lion not turn when dog bark. To you burn, no you spark it. And you have to go earn if you want it. So we no concern with who walking. When them spit can reach where we walking. Enemies in disguise want to see my demise. But no he realize John no wrong them. Cause that
that in life you achieve something nice, but achieve something twice is a problem. Then you can imagine what I face. Two up in the hand and another on the way. Plus I have another in the brain, and every other one.
Come on, get on the beach, baby.
A word unto the wise is enough. You can look but don't touch.
I'm a man of the sun. That's a man of the gun.
Ow! Cause out here in this jungle we roll. Everything that is wrong. And if you enter my zone,
Hey, my zone.
about to protect my own.
Yo, come on.
Protect my own.
Come on.
I will protect my own.
Every time.
Protect
Gotta see the sunrise. Hey,
sharp like the town crown punk rice.
hey,
But you know the flow hard though like slice.
hey,
Lyrics smell the butter be make a nice.
hey.
But I know margarine, I pull the margin.
Hey.
You stretch the margin out, and if you march
Hey.
out and you win a doubt, you march without me.
Hey.
I rather march alone than be march
Hey.
out. Tell me queen, say me lost the throne. No, this was built on the power of the truth.
Come on.
Discovering the cowards and empowering the youth.
Yo.
You give them a minute, them devouring the fruit. And within an hour, call it our choppy roots.
Hey.
You know, see it, no skill like baby on my feet.
Hey.
But drop me on the rhythm, watch the clarity we speak.
Come on.
Clarity between what we have and what we need.
Yeah.
So strength out to the wise and protection for the meek. Cause a word unto the wise is enough. You can look but don't touch my reparations and such. Cause out here in this jungle we roll. Everything that is wrong. And if you enter my zone, about to protect my own. Protect my own. I will protect my own. Protect my own. There's a protection goes out to you and yours. As I give thanks for the protection where I receive. Stay now in tune to the voice of Protege, alongside the sounds of Winter James. This come from a time and place, you know. Yeah. Ancient future.
Later. Jamaica Good Life in West Palm Beach. We're gonna be here every now and then, my friends. Full joy in the beauty of this heavenly blessings that the Almighty has given to us. All you see right here is change and balance, right? And this right here is what formed us into this shape. And this is why I teach this. So, it's a beauty. It's my beauty. I'll show you this place. Man, this is the beauty. So, you know, it's a beauty. So this is Randy. We're in West Palm Beach. Finally made it back. Family is here. And left this for many years to work on the Jamaica project to help my people, and that has been in place. Finish the book, finish the teachings, help a lot of people balance their life. So we, Jamaica Health Box, help people stop quit. Everywhere I go, I leave a positive sunlight to everyone, and I move forward as I continue to sing this song of life and constantly roll these dice of happiness, you know? Morning. So basically, hey, this is it. This is it. Excuse me, what time do you pay for parking?
I pay an hour.
So you have to pay now?
I got the app.
Is it from 9 or from 6 or is it always pay?
I think it's always paid.
Always.
Yeah, I just paid like an hour.
What's the name? What's the name of the app?
Parking mobile.
Parking Mobile.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it says I think you have an hour free.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. So you gotta pay for
There's
parking.
a few hours on the side.
On the.
Yeah, just scan it and
All right. Thank you. What week do we pay for parking?
It's until 8 o'clock.
So 8 o'clock you pay at 8
Yeah.
from then on.
Yeah, if you try to put money in there, it
It won't
take
work
it.
now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.